Welcome to Learn Linux Networks. We will be covering the network topology that is used for the Learn Linux Networks series of videos for building a network from the ground up. We'll have one physical server with two network interfaces. One interface is connected externally to the World Wide Web. The other interface is connected internally to a LAN. And those two interfaces can communicate with each other through a firewall. We will install KVM virtual machines on the physical server, and we will run various services on virtual machines. dhcp, bind, web, VPN, Icecast, Plex, Cloud, Samba, LDAP, and FreeIPA. Just for some examples. There may be others that we end up including here. I have listed a base server. I like to make my very first VM whatever server software that I prefer, Ubuntu for example, and install any network services or management software that is common across all VMs that I like to use. That makes it really quick when I want to deploy new services. I then just copy that base VM, rename it, change the IP address, and all I have to do is install my new services and I have them up and running. The VMs are connected back to interface 2. There is no host network connection from the VMs to the host. Everything has to go through interface 2, through the firewall, to the World Wide Web, or vice versa. If we want to connect to our network from the World Wide Web, we go through the firewall and connect to our virtual machines. We will have the LAN hooked up to a switch, which will include a NAS, some wireless access points, and clients that are both DHCP and static IP addresses. The NAS does not authenticate users. It just has one authenticated user. And that user is used by Plex, Cloud, whatever services are going to store data on that NAS. The users authenticate with whatever you prefer, Samba, LDAP, FreeIPA. Once they're authenticated, then that service will use that NAS for storage. So stay tuned as we build this network from ground up, and thanks for watching.